Looking for bathtub installation and replacement in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to have a reliable bathtub that meets your needs, especially in Edmonton's unique climate. Our bathtub installation and replacement services ensure you get a fresh, durable tub that enhances your bathroom's comfort and functionality. Whether you're upgrading an old tub or replacing a damaged one, we handle everything with precision and care. In Edmonton, we know that weather can affect plumbing systems, which is why our solutions are designed to withstand the local conditions, providing you with long-lasting results. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for bathtub installation and replacement in Edmonton.